Hi, it's me Hussein Riaz. Let us start lesson 6 of Spanish language. Decriminalize. In Spanish, we say despenalizer. The spelling of despenalizer are DESPENALIZAR. Criminalize. Criminalizer. In Spanish, criminalizer. The spellings of criminalizer are CRI, CRI, MI, creamy, N NALIZER. University. In Spanish, we call universidad. Universidad. The spellings of universidad are UNI, VERSIDAD. Universidad. Semester, semestra. The spellings of semester are semestry. Semester, in Spanish we call semester semestry. The spellings of semestry are SEMESTRE. Course, curso. Course is called curso in Spanish. The spellings of curso are CURSO. Offer, offerta. Offerta. The spellings of offerta are OFFERTO. Offer. TA. Offerta. OFFERTA. Study, estudiar. Estudiar. ESTUSTUDIAR. Estudiar. Complex. The spelling in Spanish we call compleja. For female compleja, for male complejo. The spellings of complejo are COMPLEPLEJO. Complejo. The spellings of compleja are COMPLEJA. Compleja. Female compleja, male complejo, right? Elegant, eleganta. Elegante, elegante. ELA, ELELEGAN, gan, TE, elegante. Has, tiny. Has is called tiny in Spanish. The spellings of tiny are TIENE, tiny, tiny, right? Breasts are breasts are called senos in Spanish. Senos, 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 right? Senos. Breasts are called senos. Penis, penny. Penis is called penny in Spanish. PENE, penny. Penis, penny. Penis, penny. Penis, penny. Investigation, investigation. The spelling investigation is called investigation. The spellings of investigation and investigation are very quite similar. Investigation. The spellings of investigation are INVES, invest, TIGACION, investigation, investigation. College, colega. College is known as colega in Spanish. COLEGA, 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 colega. School, escuela. School is called escuela in Spanish. The spellings of escuela are Escula. Escula. Professor. Professor. If there's a female, he. If there's a female, she will be called profesora. Profesora in Spanish. The spellings of profesora are Profesora. If there is a male, he will be called professor. Same pronunciation, but spellings are different. The spellings of professor in Spanish are Profesor. Fesor, right? Talk is called habler in Spanish. Habler. Hablar. Habler. Correct? Test is called prueba. 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 Vacations. Vacations is called vacaciones. Vacaciones in Spanish. The spellings of vacaciones are Vacaciones. 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 This word is very difficult, even for me. Vacaciones, right? Limitations. Limitaciones. In Spanish, we will call limitaciones. Limit. Aciones. Limitaciones. Limitations will be called limitaciones in Spanish. Limitaciones, right? Limitaciones. Bikini will be called by the same word and the same meaning. Bikini, the spellings of bikini in Spanish will be same. Bikini. Bikini. Swimwear is called traje de baño. Swimwear is called traje de baño. Trajes de baño. Trajes space de space bano. Trajes de baño. It's very difficult word. Swimwear will be. Swimmer is a one word in English, but in Spanish it is divided into 3 words. Trajes de baño. Vagina will be called by the same word. Vagina. 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 Marriage. Casamiento. In Spanish, we will call marriage casamiento. The spellings of casamiento are Casamento. Yes. Casamiento. Vacations. Let us repeat some word. Vacations. Vacaciones. Limitations. Limitaciones. bikini, bikini, vagina, vagina, swimwear, trajes de bano, marriage, casamento, 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 against, against or against, same word but different pronunciations. In Spanish, we will call against contra, 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 okay? Ruling, decision. In English, the ruling is also called a decision in some cases. So in Spanish, the ruling is called decision. Decision, decision, decision. Journalism, periodismo. Journalism is called periodismo in Spanish. Period, period, ismo, periodismo, periodismo. Party is called fiesta in Spanish. Fiesta, Fiesta, fiesta. Party, fiesta, party, fiesta, party, fiesta. Dinner. Dinner is called cena. Dinner is called cena in Spanish. Cena. Cena spellings. Lunch. If there's a female, we will call almuerza in Spanish. Almuerza. The spellings of almuerza are ALMEU. Sorry, MUERZA. ALMEUERZA. Almuerza. If there's a male, it will be called almuerzo. 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 So let us conclude this lecture. Thank you very much for listening. I hope that you have got little knowledge about Spanish. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.